You are going to be challenged. I am going to challenge you. I am going to push you out of the comfort zone that you have built around yourself, that you have been living in. This entire program is going to change not only how you think, but how you live your life. So be there in this entire program with me. And there's a warning for you. This program, I must tell you, that is not going to be easy. This program, I must tell you, is not going to be like eating popcorn, sitting on a couch and going through it comfortably. No, it's not going to go like that. It's not going to be like something you scrolling the videos on your mobile. No, it's not gonna be like that. It is gonna be difficult. It is gonna question you, your beliefs, question you and your beliefs, going to take you outside your comfort zone, going to challenge you. And when you are challenged, when you are taken out of your comfort zone, when you stop doing some things that you have always done, is when you change. And when you start changing is when you start growing. Because if you're not changing, that means you're not growing. If your friends are saying that, not saying you that, hey, you have changed a lot, that means you're not growing. Have you seen somebody working out, or if you have worked out in the past, or if you are working out now, your muscles does not grow until it gets into that pain. Your muscles will not grow until it gets out of the comfort zone that it has been in. It has to get into that discomfort. It has to get into that pain. It has to get into that stretch where you forcefully stretch it, even though it is not going beyond that certain limit, still you stretch it. You do one more push-ups, you do one more bicep curls. One more and one more is what strengthens your muscle. And that stretch, that pushing yourself out from the comfort zone, that challenging yourself is what is going to bring the change in the muscles, not only of your shoulders, not only of your chest, but also of your brain. Your brain also has the muscles and it needs to be challenged. It needs to be pushed out from the comfort zone that it has been in. It's lazy, right? So you need to do the hard work of pushing it out, making it work. It's there to work. It has everything that it needs to work and to grow and to be successful. But it's you who has to make it work. It's you who has to push it. It's you who has to challenge it. So be ready for the challenge. Be ready to get out of the comfort zone and be ready to build a successful life for yourself. The life of your dreams. Let's get into the next.